For moms who love to cook, a high-quality kitchen gift is a thoughtful option for Mother's Day and beyond. In this video, we will showcase 18 kitchen gifts for moms who love to cook. Let's get started. Celebrate the most special woman in your life with the heartwarming Made with Love Stoneware collection. These beautifully crafted ceramic pieces make the perfect Mother's Day gift. Each stoneware item can be uniquely personalized with her name, creating a cherished keepsake she'll treasure forever. Choose from elegant navy blue with braised bottoms, vibrant red with matching glaze, or an iridescent teal finish. The collection offers versatile pieces for all her baking needs, from a spacious lasagna baker and 3-quart casserole dish to a convenient loaf pan and square baker. The utensil holder, customizable with up to 12 characters, is the perfect companion piece. Infuse every dish with heartfelt love using these whimsical wooden heart spoons. The key to these spoons' charm is their adorable heart-shaped design, a delightful reminder to cook with love. The cutout heart handle is perfect for hanging from utensil crocks as charming kitchen decor. But these aren't just pretty novelties. Crafted from eco-friendly bamboo, a wonderfully lightweight yet durable material, the spoons can withstand high temperatures without warping. The smooth, sanded finish provides a comfortable grip too. Elevate her tea time ritual with the enchanting Lenox Butterfly Meadow cup and spoon set. Part of Lenox's beloved and best-selling dinnerware collection, this dainty duo will add a touch of whimsy to her daily indulgences. The star of the show is the delicate porcelain teacup, adorned with Lenox's signature scalloped edges. But it's the vibrant butterfly, dragonfly, and bee motifs dancing amidst the lush flowers that truly steal the spotlight. Each one is meticulously hand-painted for unparalleled artistry. Yet despite its elegant appearance, both pieces are crafted from durable ceramic, built to withstand years of daily use and dishwasher cycles. This thoughtful kitchen keepsake is engraved with the touching sentiment, "Everything is better in Mom's kitchen," a reminder of her loving home-cooked meals. Expertly crafted from eco-friendly bamboo wood, the board exhibits beautiful natural wood grain variations that make each one uniquely special, just like your bond with Mom. The rustic aesthetic adds warmth to any kitchen decor. At 11 by 8.5 inches, the generous size provides ample prep space, while the built-in handle ensures easy maneuvering. Use it for slicing, dicing, serving charcuterie spreads, and more. The reversible flat design is ultra-versatile. This pro-grade tool is taking TikTok by storm for its game-changing chopping, slicing, and dicing abilities. At the heart of this veggie chopper is a set of 4 ultra-sharp stainless steel blades, a fine dicer, medium dicer, julienne slicer, and ribbon spiralizer. Together, they tackle any fruit or vegetable with precision, creating perfectly uniform cuts every time. But the Fullstar doesn't just slice, it's built to perform. The ergonomic soft grip handle provides excellent control over your chopping, while the non-skid rubber base ensures rock-solid stability on any surface. Bring some laughter and style into the kitchen with the hilarious Saukore funny aprons. These novelty cooking aprons are the perfect way to add a dash of personality to your culinary adventures. Made from a soft, durable cotton and polyester blend, the aprons are built to withstand daily cooking messes and machine washing. Yet it's the witty custom prints and sayings that really steal the show. They also make an incredibly fun and unique gift for the mom, wife, or friend who loves injecting humor into their kitchen routine. Surprise her with an apron that perfectly captures her one-of-a-kind personality. This exquisitely curated collection is the perfect indulgent surprise for moms, wives, sisters, and best friends alike. Every pampering item inside has been carefully hand-selected and beautifully packaged to create an unforgettable unboxing experience. From the moment she opens it, she'll feel pampered and appreciated. At the heart of this set is a generously sized 20-aughts insulated tumbler, perfect for sipping her favorite hot beverage while relaxing. It's complemented by an array of high-quality bath products, like a fizzy bath bomb, fragrant bath salts, and a glittering diamond-shaped soap bar. Treat mom to the sweet taste of fruity indulgence with the Good, no added sugar fruit jam set. This quartet of luscious jams allows her to enjoy bold, natural flavors without any of the excess sugars. The assortment includes 4 mouthwatering varieties: succulent Concord grape, tangy apricot, classic strawberry, and a vibrant forest fruit medley. Each one is bursting with intense, ripe fruit essence captured at peak freshness. For the jam lover who values clean, wholesome ingredients without sacrificing taste, this good set is the ultimate indulgence. It's a gift that celebrates enjoying life's simple, sweet pleasures while supporting her well-being. Does the mother figure in your life spend hours in the kitchen, cooking delicious meals every night? If so, it's time to upgrade her cookware with the 12-piece stainless steel Cuisinart set. This professional-grade set features an aluminum core that provides excellent heat distribution without excessive weight. The pots and pans sear ingredients to perfection, elevating her culinary skills. With the Cuisinart Cookware set, she can prepare restaurant-quality dishes with ease. The aluminum core ensures even heating, while the sleek stainless steel exterior adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. Crafted from food-grade non-stick silicone, these mats are heat-resistant and a dream to work with. 2 of the mats feature printed circle guides in various sizes, taking the guesswork out of shaping perfect macaron shells every time. But the fun doesn't stop there. This set also includes a thicker baking mat, ideal for cookies, pastries, and more, plus a 9-inch round mat, perfect for baking pizza or tarts with a crispy underside. With this silicone baking mat set, Mom can explore her passion for French patisserie and expand her baking repertoire with ease. No more struggling with sticky dough or burnt bottoms. Does your family love gathering for movie nights, sharing laughs, and munching on popcorn? Then this stainless steel stovetop popcorn maker is the perfect gift for Mom. Forget the bland microwave bags. This hand-cranked popper whips up 6 quarts of mouth-watering popcorn in under 3 minutes. That's enough to keep the whole family happily snacking throughout the flick. Made of durable stainless steel, it's a breeze to use on any cooktop, including induction stoves. Just add your favorite kernels, give the crank a few spins, and let the irresistible aroma of fresh popcorn fill the air. Does the most important woman in your life start her day with a steaming cup of coffee or freshly brewed tea? Ensure her morning beverage never loses that perfect drinking temperature with the innovative Ember Smart Mug. This genius invention uses cutting-edge technology to keep her favorite hot drink at the precise temperature she desires for hours on end. No more lukewarm sips or scorched tongues. Whether she prefers her coffee piping hot or her tea at a soothing warmth, the Ember mug delivers consistent, customized perfection. For the baking enthusiast in your life, there's no better gift than the iconic KitchenAid stand mixer. This versatile kitchen workhorse is sure to become Mom's new favorite appliance. With its durable all-metal construction and 59 touch points surrounding the bowl, KitchenAid delivers unparalleled mixing performance. The 5-quart stainless steel bowl has ample capacity to whip up full batches of cookies, cakes, breads, and more in one go. But it's not just about performance. The KitchenAid stand mixer is also a stunner. The elegant rose color adds a touch of feminine flair to any kitchen countertop. Is the mom in your life obsessed with sparkling water? Indulge her beverage cravings with the sleek and stylish Aarke Carbonator III. This ingenious carbonator lets her transform still water into a refreshingly bubbly drink with just the pull of a lever. Its cordless design means she can keep it on the countertop, table, or anywhere else she pleases for ultimate convenience. But the Aarke isn't just practical, it's a showstopper. The minimalist, stainless steel body exudes modern elegance that will complement any home decor. If the chef in your life has been reluctant to hop on the air fryer craze, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is the perfect way to convert her. This brilliant countertop oven combines air frying capabilities with so much more. At first glance, it may look like an ordinary toaster oven, but with a simple twist of a knob, Mom can unlock a world of cooking functions: baking, broiling, slow cooking, reheating, and yes, crispy air frying perfection. Whether she's craving guilt-free French fries, a tender roast, or just wants to revive last night's pizza, the Breville makes it easy. She'll be amazed at how this versatile oven delivers professional quality results with little effort. For the tea-loving mom who still uses an old stovetop kettle, we have the perfect modern upgrade: the sleek ZWILLING electric kettle. This innovative appliance combines the latest German engineering with a fresh contemporary design. But it's not just gorgeous to look at, it's incredibly functional too. With 6 preset temperature settings, Mom can ensure her tea or coffee water is heated to the perfect degree every time. No more guesswork or burned brews. The kettle even stays warm for 30 minutes after heating. For the home chef who appreciates both style and functionality, the Le Creuset Signature Wide Dutch Oven is an absolute must-have. This iconic 5.5-quart enameled cast iron pot is a true kitchen workhorse. Its wide cooking surface provides ample space for beautifully searing and browning meats to perfection. From savory braises and stews to crusty bread bakes, this versatile Dutch oven tackles it all with ease. Crafted with ultimate durability in mind, it's designed to last a lifetime of culinary adventures. If your Mother's Day gift recipient doesn't have a Dutch oven yet, I highly recommend them. For the eco-conscious mom looking to reduce kitchen waste, Stasher reusable silicone bags make the perfect sustainable gift. These innovative storage bags are a game changer for meal prep and beyond. Crafted from durable, food-grade silicone, they're dishwasher safe, can handle hot items straight from the oven or microwave, and perform beautifully in the fridge or freezer. But what really sets Stasher bags apart is their versatility. The largest size is ideal for sous vide cooking, steaming batches of veggies, and more. Smaller sizes offer leak-proof, reusable solutions for snacks, sandwiches, and all her food storage needs.